I had a little company at the shooting range this weekend, but it was just a gorgeous, beautiful day, and decided to shoot the 308 Savage at 547 yards after one sighter on another target. That's at one hole. Was able to shoot 5 shots. Here I've cut the webcam out, so all I'm showing you is the actual shooting, but this turned out to be a pretty good group the last 4 shots. So I was pretty happy. I don't shoot this gun very often. And there's a target underneath that red gong at 500 meters, 547 yards. This is a Savage FCP-10 and an XLR chassis with a Bushnell sight, Southwest Ammunition 175 Sierra Match Kings. That's what the target cam looks like, and this is the result, a 4 1/4 inch group. So I was happy.